Hello, my name is Michele Nonatelli. I am Italian and I live in Belgium, but I am here in Sofia, in Bulgaria, in NuriDent clinic to have an intervention to my teeth. I had a huge problem this year in April at my lower tooth here. So after consulting different dentists in Belgium, where I live, and making some search, finally I found this clinic in Sofia, where they had a new technology which is implants which are basal implants. The technique is different than in Europe, in Belgium, Italy, France, Spain and all other of this country. Well, Bulgaria is as well Europe, but they have this new technology which is not very new, because Dr. Nuri already does and use this technique is 20 years. So finally I came here with this huge problem. I was losing my two teeth in the lower part of my mouth, and which was horrible for me, and I could not eat properly. I was missing as well 3 teeth in the left side of my lower part, and so I came here, and Dr. Nuri, he found a wonderful solution for me, which was to provide 5 implants, basal implants, and have a prosthesis which is a prosthesis of 10 teeth, 3/4 of the lower part of my mouth. And I came here in May, and after 4 days I went away with provisory implants, and then I came back now after 3 months, and I have the final prosthesis, and I'm very happy. They did a wonderful job. This is a full team of experts. I really suggest you, if you have this type of problems, to come over here. They will do a great job to you. What else can I add is that Bulgaria is a very nice country. People are nice. Unfortunately, I don't speak Bulgarian and I don't understand, but the place is quiet and full of history, and is a nice place. So if you have any problems, don't hesitate to come to Bulgaria and have a new smile coming out of Sofia.